let's try adding unlike fractions. Unlike fractions means fractions with different denominators, different bottom numbers. So here I've got 3/10 plus 5/6. Now this is pretty hard to add because you're going to end up with something like this added on to the end of this, and it's going to be like, yeah, but how much is that? I don't know because I added two different size sections. So what we have to do is we have to put this over a common denominator. So we have to find a common multiple between 10 and 6. So 10 and 6, we need something that goes on both of their multiplication tables. 10, 20, not 20, 30. What about 30? 30 works, because 30 is on both of them. So what do I have to multiply each of these denominators by in order to get 30? 10 times 3. It's the third one on that multiplication table. 6 times 5. Now the rule is whatever I do to the bottom, I have to do to the top. So 10 times 3, so I have to do 3 times 3. 6 times 5, I have to do 5 times 5. So let's rewrite our question down at the bottom here. So 3 times 3 is 9. 10 times 3 is 30, right? Because that was our goal here. Plus 5 times 5 is 25. 6 times 5 is 30 as well. So now I've got 9/30 plus 25/30. Okay, this is a little bit more doable. So what is 9 plus 25? 24. 24 over 30, because that doesn't change. So 24/30. Now, do I have any holes? Is this number bigger than 30? No, so no holes. Okay, no problem. Next step for simplifying is, can these be divided by the same number? Is there anything that goes into both 24 and 30? Yeah, 2, 3, even 6. So let's divide by 6. Divide by 6. So 24 divided by 6 is 4, and 30 divided by 6 is 5. Okay, so that is our answer in simplest form. Good job.